Machine plate. Old screen. New screen. Make sure the old screen is on the board. It has the original color function. When the test box is on, use the old screen to read the cover code. Buckle the row of cables. Press the mode key to read the data. After the read is successful, take down the old screen. Take the new screen and write. Button up the new screen. Hold down the recovery key to write data. Write successfully. Buckle the new screen with the cover code on the machine board. Button up the original receiver. The original color will not be displayed if the receiver is not clicked. Starting up, the original color display is turned on. Write original color successfully.